If you use an inkjet printer, you're going to want to seal your water slide so the ink doesn't run. You'll seal 3 times, allowing 60 seconds dry time in between each layer. I like to spray in 3 different directions just to make sure I have entirely covered the whole page. Trim your sealed water slide image as close to the edge as possible to make for easier application. Completely submerge your sealed and trimmed water slide image in a container of water. Wet your epoxy tumbler, I really like this Mr. bottle, and lay your water slide image on top. Hold one side as you carefully pull out the backing. Spray a little bit more on top. You really want to keep your water slide nice and wet as you are adjusting it and getting it placed right where you like. Make sure to push out any water that will be below your water slide. You don't want to see any air bubbles. And there you go.